What's up, Airbnb hosts? I tripped over something cool today. Amazon Prime Movies hack that's going to save me, $30 to $50 a month. And I'm going to share this cool new hack with you to help you manage your Airbnb business. Let's get into it. All right, welcome back, Airbnb family. I'm in Houston working on one of my newer properties. We're moving from the Galleria into River Oaks area with this 2-bedroom. And I'll share some photos or / video of it once it's completed. One of the bedrooms done. I'm sitting in the living room. I've been assembling IKEA furniture for the last 48 hours. How sweet is that? So I get an email today, and I've been getting these emails a lot lately. I don't know what's up, but I've got about 30 to 50 Amazon Fire Sticks registered on Amazon Prime, and all of a sudden people start buying movies, right? They're buying Prime movies. I don't know what's going on because I have parental controls on like all my Fire Sticks, or so I thought, right? But there's been people buying movies left and right. And the newest one, roll it, somebody, must be date night, is watching 50 Shades Darker, right? So I didn't want to ruin their date night, but I just had it. This was the last straw. This is $6 too much, right? And we've been trying to, for the last month, find out which Fire Sticks don't have parental controls and try to hunt down the guests who made these purchases and try to fulfill it through the resolution center. It's not been working out. So I tried something today, and it worked. So what I did is I had Amazon Prime call me, right? I went to the app. I said, contact me. This is about Prime Video. Call me. They call, and I say, hey, I have a bunch of Amazon Fire Sticks that are supposed to have parental controls. And somebody just bought a movie without my permission. I want you to refund me for that movie, and I want you to log out of that Fire Stick and take it off of Amazon Prime. Yes! Right? Okay, so how this essentially will work now is if you're like me and you've got this small leak, which I've had for a couple months, which is people buying $3 to $5 or $6 movies here or there, which has been happening like every 3 or 5 days for us lately, you can now log out of an Amazon Fire Stick remotely and shut it down. Right? So you have a guest who's using your Fire Stick, finds a way around your parental controls, you can reverse the charge and log out of Amazon Prime, and they can't get back in, and you can find out who did it. Then all you have to do is let your cleaning team know, if you use cleaners, to check the Fire Sticks for all of your properties the next time that they're in there, and just check off each property off your list and find out which Fire Stick it was. And this is really good if somebody steals your Amazon Fire Sticks, which has happened to me. It just kind of happens. So if you're doing this with a smart TV and you're still logged into Amazon Prime, this will still work because it's a device. So you can shut the TV off, log the TV out of Amazon Prime. So take this tip. It's an easy one. It'll save you a bunch of money if you have the same leak as me. I've got another pro tip that I'm itching to tell you about, which I'm going to do next video. It's a marketing trick, and it is so cool. I also just discovered that. I haven't even had time to put it on all of my properties yet. So stay tuned for this next juicy marketing video. I'm so pumped. Thanks for watching Airbnb Automated, and I'll see you on the other side.